Oh my guys, we have found something special that made this house special maybe. Guys, here. Welcome back guys to the channel. We are trying to finally again get going and make some explores. And now we have found one location here. Hopefully it's something to see. Is it haggard? Oh! Right away I got hit by some kind of... I'm trying to put some light. Oh, wow! It's pretty interesting right from the get-go. This is like a car garage. But how did you drive a car in here? I mean, I guess it was just like a...
It's not for a car, it's just a garage.
Yeah, it was more like just to do any kinds of...
Here is a boiler room. What is that? Is it some oil container?
Yeah, this might have been... This is the boiler room. This here was the heater, and that machine was stuck to there, and it was burning the oil inside this, you see? There's the big flame.
There's like an engine in there.
Big flame used to be burning there.
Here's mosquitoes.
They might be not real mosquitoes.
Fake mosquitoes.
Not the biting type. And that was a big oil canister. Yep.
They are underground. I've never seen them standing inside.
Did you try to look inside this? Oh, it's empty. It's a bit bothering that you don't see through this screen. The screen is off.
No,
I don't see at all what...
the battery.
Yeah, but I don't see at all what I'm feeling. That's...
There is like another room.
Whoa, Jaffa gold.
Oh, what is that?
Some kind of juice there. That's some super old Jaffa like. There's like a toilet seat. I wonder how the upstairs are. I'm very excited. Yeah, there's a speaker. Yep.
Is this the house or is this just like the underground now?
I think this is still the cellar. There's like some... This... Whoa, I thought there was somebody sleeping there. What the heck? Look, this is like brandy.
There's still like some laundry hanging.
Whoa, the towels. Oh, this is a sauna, look. The sauna was down here. Cozy.
It's like sauna and shower at the same time. What a cute washing machine.
What a cute washing machine! Yeah, look at that.
I'll take a picture.
Oh wow, look. Is this stuck? Yeah. This is like a... The temperature meter, but look what kind. It's like some kind of soap commercial at the same time. I wish I could see what I'm filming, but I hope it's there. It's showing still 60 degrees. Here the dude was having cozy sauna evenings, imagine. What a cute this thing, ain't it? And then you would come out and what is it? This was some kind of cooling room or not? Under the stairs is a place to store something.
Do we go upstairs?
What was this room? Yeah, I'm excited of the upstairs always. You know what this is? This is... you know what it is?
Is it sauna light cover?
No, this is like you put and then you roll your feet on it. It's a massage. Turku Harbor. What is that about? Like a friggin' random wall has been built there and then...
Maybe they were trying to make this room warmer.
Oh wow, Glenlivet whiskey. I hope this is filming. Yep, it's filming. So yeah, I'm just gonna check what the heck is this here. Random weird room, and there's like a then way out. I think. Look like the leather jacket. And some kind of sock Helsinki things. There's been a vandal or two, right? I mean...
Vandal or...
See what? Men also have periods. Alright.
Just yesterday told me that we don't have them.
Yeah. Oh, look at all this very vintage stuff, huh? Wow, there's cassettes and Wellington's shoe. I hope this will become a good episode.
You have so many homes.
Look, Jussi keittiöt. Two kitchens.
Was that his bin?
Stillspist. I thought I heard somebody come. This is some storage, huh? Like, quite crazy. What was there here then? Oh, very old, this microwave. Oh. Okay. Going up. Guys, if you guys could help us a little and give us 5 more subscriptions, that would help us so much. We would finally get the 500 subscribers, which is like a limit in YouTube that we need. If you guys could just help with. It doesn't cost you guys anything, just if you drop a like there.
It certainly has everything inside, but not necessarily on their places.
Oh no, how is this upstairs so destroyed?
Very.
Oh no, I was hoping much better because of how the town was like almost no tags, but now here it's like this.
Yeah. The fridge door is gone.
Oh man, it's been pretty vandalized. I mean, not pretty, totally. This was probably living room, yeah? I mean, it would have been nice to see it, how it was. If we came here like, I don't know, what would it be? 6 years ago? To the grandmother from Monica in '89. There is like a book, couple of books. Yeah, like you said, that there's definitely everything inside. There's even the carpet still in place. But yeah, they're not in their places. Christmas decorations and all. The jackets. These jackets have been in some cupboard. What's the story behind this one, huh? Oh, the kitchen is also in here. What happened on the stove?
Maybe there's been like dropping stuff.
Oh.
Water damage.
Yeah, but still there's like...
Yeah,
oh,
but that looks like gore.
gore. The bird had once had a nest there, like quite a big bird as well.
Maybe then when they put this in blockers. Put the light there.
Oh, What a tabletop. It's like some marble tabletop. That was the kitchen. Alright. I was hoping that upstairs would be a little better. Bird nest. And look, there's already happening the moisture there. So did this have a straight roof, flat roof? I don't remember. I mean.
So this door is not openable.
Was that the main door? Probably those vandals have come in through the door.
There is many more rooms.
Yeah, I bet there is. Wow, nice wallpaper. I mean, there would probably be lots to film here. Look at all this collection of Wellingtons. Lots to film here, but then you gotta really take your time and dig through this stuff down here. And you can find the letters and stuff to learn possibly even what happened and so on. So here they have just been flipping these things around like these beds. It would be nice to, when it's all touched on that. I hope I'm filming good, because sometimes I don't like pay attention like what position this camera is in, because I don't see. I don't see through this. But yeah, the most things to see are on the floor, so I kind of point towards the floor. There's like something to make food with. This was a big wardrobe and they emptied it out like. But there's still things like in bags and stuff. There even still smells like perfume here. The women's clothes here, like Kasper would say, there's been a woman here. Or something. Do you remember? That was so good. Alright. The shoes. Casper Explores is one of our favorite channels as well. Yeah, these are mostly women's, aren't they? All kinds of clothes. Yeah, there's so much on the floor, like it's like a pile of. I think this actually the person who gave me this address. She said like I pretty much filmed it from outside. I didn't want to go in because there was so much stuff on the floor. I couldn't walk. Yeah, this was the toilet. So it had like a one toilet. Oh, they've been smashing those with that rock. Oh, are those like? Oh, I thought those were like rings still there, left behind, but no. Yep, that's that. Next room or what's in these? Papkas or nothing. There's some bags. There's what could have this room been? I guess some bedroom. Probably a bedroom. This kind of weirdly shaped house, because all of a sudden there's one room, extra room here. But it's nice to have finally found one abandoned, yeah? Where we can actually also get in, because it's lately been so that you don't first of all find anything, then when you find something you can't get in. That was that kind. It's a 2003 calendar, so that tells us something about the time. And there's
that's
somebody.
2007.
Okay, this is even 2007, so that's when they've been doing the lottery or this thing. So maybe 2007 they were still here.
Possibly.
Well, what is that made of? Some kind of a... This minky. Oh, that was a nice TV, nice old TV look. The fin looks some type of epic model. That was at one point actually very nice one. What it was? Cookie jar, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's some kurkkor. Lots of things, huh? And yeah, I guess this is some kind of 70s or house, or what do you think?
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at this. Is this? Yeah, the dinosaurs.
Is it like a belly?
It could be some kind of game. Look, this TV was like a total set. It was like a attached to this. That was not a bad TV. That must have been so much fun to throw that brick on it. Okay, enough of that stuff. Look those things, like they're like 70s, 60s.
Oh, that's nice. Flowers. What are those things? Is it some glass or some rocks?
It's the TV's.
It's so thick.
Yep, it's so thick.
Look at that.
Then they had also like VH. No, what could this be? This is maybe the Digibox. And this was a. Is this? Yep, VHS. Machine. So they were watching those VHS tapes. Okay, well, I guess. Wow, quite big these like cabinets. How do you call it when they are integrated cabinets? Do they work? Try moving. What about?
Not easily.
There's nothing in there either.
Not in that one.
Nothing there. They don't move. They are kind of stuck. Alright. I guess. Have we seen all the rooms? Quite a bit of dust in the air, but I would say this is not anything dangerous. There's also very good ventilation here. Because of these broken windows.
Yeah, it's fresh here smelling.
This was the living room, like a very big one too, wasn't it?
Okay.
Oh my guys, we have found something special that made this house special maybe. We didn't somehow even see it before, but there is up there a bird's nest. Oh, but is there maybe the mom there now? And
No, she just left.
Oh. But it could be the other mom. I mean the male one or something.
Just come from above, it's enough.
I wonder if I got it. Maybe I'll have to check. That kind of house this time, guys. Hopefully we could get those 5 more subscriptions, and then we can get also money from the YouTube to help us a little bit with these explorers. This is how the house is out from the outside. Okay, we'll leave you with the pictures and see you next time, guys.